Hello all, let's welcome back and look into the today's lead code problem. So the problem statement that we have to find numbers with in even number of digits that like this. Given an array showing that there is a number of elements, so like this 1 2 12, so it is having 2 digits. 3 4 5, it is having odd number of digits, odd number, and it is having 4 digits which is even. So what will be the approach? There is one approach that will iterate over the whole array, and for each element will do in the while loop we'll just take a div, div, means update the count and divide the element by 10. Okay, and did the while loop until element is greater than 0. There is one approach, but can we use solve this problem using some little bit math? Okay, let's look into the math behind there. Let's copy this whole array and paste it here. What will be the values of this array? So our value will be 12. So our concept will be here is we can going to use here logs here. So first look into that. This what's the concept is there that जो number है n, our n number is lie in which range? It is lie in a range of 10 to the power 10 to the power what? 10 to the power digits. What digit? D minus 1 digits to 10 to the power d. This in this range it will lie, and d will be what? The number of digits for this number. Okay, number of digits. So we have to calculate this d here, number of digits. So how can we calculate this number of digits? For calculating this we can use logarithmic. So we can take log base 10 of this number n, then it should be greater than equal to d minus 1. Okay, so we can modify this calculating this d digits in this way. So this d will equal to log of log base 10 of n, and in that log we can add this one value here plus 1. So this will be our equation. So we'll look into that. How can we solve? If the r number will be 12, so what will be the log base 10? So its log base 10 is approximately equal to 1.079. So for that we can take it as a what's the floor value of this? The floor value will be 1, and in the floor value of this we can do addition of 1, so it is 2. Similarly, if we take the log for 100, it is approximately equal to 2. So for that the floor value will be 2 plus 1 is our answer 3. So we can take any other number also. So like this we can take 3 4 5, 3 4 5. This is a number, so whose log will be approximately will equal to what? 2 2.537 approximately equal to this. And if we take the floor value will be 2, and we have to add one extra bit in that, because this is the solution, log plus 1 which is equal to 3. So we look into the solution. What we have to do, we have to iterate over the array, and while iterating we have to get the log first we have to get the log base 10 of ith element, and then we have to take the floor value, and in that floor value we have to addition, do the add 1 and check that if it is means that day whatever the day is there is more 2 means it is a even number, then we have to update the count variable. Okay, so can we check that by submitting the solution? So it's working. So this is the in this it is a very easy kind of problem, so it will be solved either using the while loop or using this mathematics also. So okay, thank you all.